To automatically save new movies and TV show to Drive C in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System, and then select Storage. Next, tap Advanced Storage Settings, and then tap or click where new content is saved. And then on new movies and TV show will save to, click or tap drop down menu, and then select Drive C. Tap or click apply to apply. Now, new movies and TV shows will save to Drive C. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.